Hello everyone who loves Inari Sushi and always can't get enough of this. Let's make some Inari Sushi, also known as Inarizushi, a delightful traditional sushi that can be served as a main meal or snack. Only a few ingredients are needed, just to keep things simple for everyone. These bite-sized morsels consist of vinaigrette rice stuffed into sweet and savory deep-fried tofu pockets called Inari age. These are so delightful, you can never get enough. The tofu pockets can be bought from the Asian grocery shops here. I get mine either from the grocery shops such as H-mart or Seiwah, which I think are the top main places to find these ingredients in Houston. Watch till the end to see a few extra ingredients that can really jazz things up to make a wonderful sushi platter. These ingredients can help make a few more varieties, and watch till the end and become a pro at sushi making. Let's dive in so you can make this special sushi easily at home. My name is Sue, who has been cooking healthy, delicious meals for my family and friends for the past 25 years. I cooked this recently and filmed it to show you the ingredients, the steps to make this with just a few basic steps. This is one of the easiest sushis to make. Our family loves the goodness and simplicity of sushi. The only to have this often is to make them at home. If you like my videos, please support my channel with a like and hit the subscribe button. You will need some sushi rice, 5-inch of a pickled daikon radish, half a carrot, some sushi seasoning, inari or fried tofu skin. These come ready-made in packets. And if you want to jazz things up, buy a small packet of fish roe or caviar. I will show you two types of inari, just to give you an idea of the wide possibilities. Also, some white and black sesame seed if you have them on hand. Step 1 is to cook the sushi rice in the rice cooker. I like to use the Nishiki Sushi Rice. Follow the instructions and fluff the rice up with a rice spoon or chopsticks. Step 2 is to get all the ingredients ready. Here, I will be using the pickled daikon radish that can also be easily found at H-mart and Seiwah. I use only a 5-inch piece of the daikon. Chop it into small pieces first. Before grinding into the food processor, you can get coarse pieces so that you can bite into this. I also chop and grind uncooked fresh carrots. Use also about 5-inch of the carrots. Put this aside, these two crossly grinded ingredients. Put this aside. For these, I use my Cuisinart mini blender to grind the ingredients. Step 3 is to mix the ingredients together. Find a big bowl and let the rice cool down first a bit before doing this. Now add some rice, sushi vinegar and seasoning. Measure with a tiny cup, as you don't want to put too much. It will make the rice soggy. If you find the rice too soggy, add a little rice, more rice, to come to a good balance. A good balance is when the vinegar is all absorbed by the rice and you find that it is not wet but just moist. At this point, put in the pickled daikon, fresh uncooked carrots, white and black sesame seeds. Mix the ingredient in the big bowl. Make sure all the ingredients are well mixed so it looks colorful. The carrots will sweeten the rice while the pickled daikon radish really gives it a delicate savory taste. Sesame seeds are very healthy, and these tiny seeds are packed with vitamins, adds fragrance and a little nutty flavor. Step 4. Open the packet of Inari Tofu Pockets. Use a small spoon to dish in the rice and to fill the tofu pockets until it's full. Line these in a serving dish, ready to serve this morsel of yummylicious sushi. Take note that there are some tofu pockets that are more rectangular in shape. The ones that I'm showing you in this video is a triangle shaped ones. For easier handling, the rectangular shaped ones are easy to prepare. These golden poachers, with their sweet and savory taste, are loved by both children and adults. They are perfect for a sushi dinner platter, wholesome snacks, and also can be packed into lunch boxes and for a picnic. The ingredients used in this inari is perfect for a vegetarians and vegan friendly diet. You can also change the ingredients to fit other diets. Inari is a very versatile dish and can be adapted to suit different taste buds and different diets. So here's our inari pockets. It's actually made of tofu. So what you do is you put a little bit of each and then just squeeze it in a bit with your little spoon. Yeah? Now you can make sure you wash your hands before doing, and it's all clean, and you don't have to use gloves. All the little pockets inside. Okay? Alright, I'm gonna make 6 of this, 8 of this, and then we will switch. My children eat a lot, they will finish it in a minute. No problem. I'm gonna put it all in the mouth. For variety, I like to make another one for you. This one has the vinaigrette rice filled until the tofu pockets are quarter full, 3/4 full. Then top it with some flying fish orangey raw or caviar. You can find this raw flying fish raw also at H-mart and Seiwah, and I think it is very fresh from there. Another variety is to top it up with tuna fish. You can easily get tuna in cans, either in water or olive oil. I like the olive oil version, as this can also become another inari variety. Put your creative juices to the test and create all this variety of inari. The second one with the fish raw is my son's favorite. So when I make this, I will buy the flying fish raw and put it for him. This is his treat. Just want to note that the pickled daikon radish is super tasty and nutrient rich. It is useful for toppings for salad, mixing it with larger entrees, and just simply eat it raw. One of the great benefits of eating pickled daikon radish is it is a great source of gut-boosting probiotics. I hope you can follow these simple steps and make this soon. Inari Sushi, a delightful blend of tradition, flavor, and simplicity. And now you can bring it to your homes. Enjoy these golden Inari poaches. And if you haven't already, hit and subscribe button and subscribe for more delicious recipe so you can create nutritious and delicious meals for yourself and your lovely family. My channel aims to help you cook nutritious, delicious, budget-friendly meals. Signing off and see you next week. Also comment below. Tell me, do you like Inari Sushi? Yes or no? See you next Thursday for another delicious recipe. Signing off. Bye. Let me try what?